Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's get started with the Penguin Palace products. First off is Dots Meet Dashes Large Rectangles die, the Heart from the Warmest Wishes and Heartfelt Notes coordinating dies, the Mermaid from the Get Well Soon stamp set, and the coordinating Penguin Perfect Cuts. Also the Stencil Rain of Hearts Penguin pattern. So let's get started on this card. So first off, I already cut some white cardstock with the Dots Meet Dashes Large Rectangles die, and then I'm going to secure it to my workspace. Then I'm going to lay the stencil on top and just hold it down securely with my hand. The distress inks that I'm using is Tumbled Glass, Peacock Feathers, Wilted Violet, and Picked Raspberry. So I'm just going down the line, putting each of those colors down and blending each two colors in between, just trying to make sure that it's just blended nicely. And I'm not doing the whole stencil. I'm mainly focusing in the center and a little bit outward, but not the edges. So that is the completed heart stencil background. Then I took the sentiment that said heartfelt thanks from the stamp set Heartfelt Notes, and then I stamped it on that white cardstock that I cut with the heart from the Warmest Wishes coordinating dies. So this is one of the mermaids from the Get Well stamp set, and I'm going to color her with Copic markers. I'll list the colors that I use in the description box below. So I just colored her real quick using minimal colors. So the color combo of her outfit is like a lavender purple with some teal. And then I go ahead and color her hair black using the colors C3, C5, and C7. The colors for the tail, I went with the teal, so it's a BG15, and I believe it was a BG75. So again, I'll list the colors in the description box below. So that pretty much completes her, and then I color the heart bubbles in a pink color, R83, and RV marker color. So that is the colored images, and then here are all the items that I'll be placing on my card. So that is the heart stenciled background, and I'm going to adhere it to an A2 card size with some scrapbook adhesive. And then I had some lavender and fuchsia pink heart die cuts already cut out, and so I'm going to use the large lavender color and place the heartfelt thanks sentiment on that heart, and then I'm placing the mermaid on the pink smaller heart, and I'll be placing that with some foam adhesive tape onto my card so it just pops out a little bit and gives a little interest to the card. Then I place the heart bubbles on the top right corner of the purple heart. And then here I just have some stickers, heart stickers that went well with the color scheme. So it's a pink, uh, purple, and a light blue. So I go ahead and place those on the card. And that pretty much completes this thank you card, probably Valentine's Day themed. And so I just went through my Penguin Palace products, picked out some few images, and put it together. So that is the card I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I'll see you soon. Again, all the links in the description box below.